delicious and easy, making pumpkin risotto. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a delightful dish, pumpkin risotto. This Italian classic, known for its creamy texture and rich flavors, is perfect for anyone looking to expand their culinary vocabulary and skills. Let's get started on this delicious journey. Pumpkin risotto is a compound phrase, combining two key concepts. Pumpkin, a large, round, orange vegetable, is a popular ingredient in autumn. Risotto, on the other hand, refers to an Italian rice dish cooked in broth to a creamy consistency. Together, they form a dish that's not only a treat for the taste buds but also a feast for the eyes. In this section, we'll break down the essential ingredients for making pumpkin risotto. You'll need arborio rice, a special Italian rice, pumpkin puree, chicken or vegetable broth, onions, garlic, Parmesan cheese, butter, and some herbs and spices. Each ingredient plays a crucial role in creating the dish's unique flavor profile. Now, let's talk about how to make pumpkin risotto. We start by sautéing onions and garlic, then adding the rice. The key is to slowly add the broth, allowing the rice to absorb it gradually. Stirring in the pumpkin puree and finishing with Parmesan cheese and butter gives the risotto its creamy texture and rich flavor. Pumpkin risotto isn't just a meal, it's a cultural experience. Originating from Italy, risotto is a staple in Italian cuisine and has many variations. The addition of pumpkin gives it an autumnal twist, making it a favorite in many parts of the world during the fall season. For English language learners, understanding and using culinary terms can be both challenging and rewarding. Words like sauté, broth, and puree are commonly used in cooking and can be great additions to your vocabulary. I hope this video has helped you understand what pumpkin risotto is and maybe even inspired you to try making it yourself. Remember, cooking is not just about following a recipe, it's about experiencing new cultures and flavors. Happy cooking, and see you in the next video.